Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a broken handle on your toilet. So let's dive in. So as you can see right here, our handle was completely broken off inside the toilet. So we went ahead and took this off. All you're going to need is a pair of pliers and just to unscrew this. Just a reminder, this is reverse thread, so it might be a little weird trying to get it out. You might need a pair of pliers, or you can just do it with your hands, either one. So guys, this is the one I'm using here today. I'll have a link for this below if you're interested, but I'll show you guys how we're going to put this back together. So for this example, you're going to take the lever mount and also the lock nut and go ahead and put these together. You might need the sleeve. If you will need that, you'll have to kind of see and just determine if your toilet needs it, and it depends on kind of like your leveling and everything like that. So if you want that sleeve, you can put that on there. I think I've done this multiple times and I've never used it myself, but you're just going to put those on and go ahead and screw those together. And here's what it looks like, and I also recommend just hand tightening for now. And just remember, this is reverse thread, so it's going to be a little different than you're probably used to. Then you want to go ahead and grab your arm. So this can move if you need it to. So if you need it to swivel, it can swivel a little bit, which is nice. And depending on your toilet, here is how this is actually going to go in. As you can see, mine right here is a Mansfield, so it has everything already in place. So you kind of have to feed it in there, and then you'll have to adjust this lever kind of depending on where everything needs to go, how high your flush valve is, and all type of things like that. So it kind of depends. If you just have another toilet that uses a chain, it's a lot easier. You just set this in there, go ahead and push it through, and then you might have to adjust the length of your chain, which all you have to do is just press those buttons on the top of the arm right there. But either way, you're just trying to put this in there and then go ahead and feed it through the lever assembly. So just clipped it right in, and you can see for this Mansfield toilet, it just is hooked there. But if you have a chain, you can just hook it to the end of that chain, or the little stick right there. So fits right in there. Then you just go ahead and grab your handle and place it on there. You just hold the back end of the assembly and then push this on however you need to. You want to try to get it as level as possible. Again, mine is a little different here because it is a Mansfield toilet, but I did actually go back here in just a moment and I do level this. So you want to try it out and make sure it's comfortable and it works whichever way you want this. But having that level like this is your best option. And again, depending on your toilet, whether it's a right side, left side, or if it's even on, the other side of it, that's okay. You can do that as well. But just kind of depending on which one works for you best, there is multiple ways you can, again, maneuver this around to make sure that everything is on there and it works how you would like for it to. So as you can see right here, flushed it a few times, everything works well, fits in here just nice and neat. Everything is in and it's a great fit. So again, hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe. I'll have a link for this item down below, and I'll see you in the next video.